John 4:24. Meaning of this verse: God is a spirit, and we should worship him in a true and loving way, from our hearts, not just with our words. We can talk to God anytime, anywhere, because he is always with us. Proverbs 3:5-6. Meaning of this verse: trust God with everything in your life, even when things are confusing. If you let God guide you, he will help you make good choices and show you the right path to follow. Isaiah 41:10. Meaning of this verse: don't be scared, because God is always with you. He will help you when you feel weak, and he will protect you no matter what happens. Philippians 4:13. Meaning of this verse: with God's help, you can do anything, even things that seem really hard or impossible. He gives you the strength to keep going. Romans 8:28. Meaning of this verse: God works everything, even the hard things, for good if you love him and trust his plan. Even when something feels bad, God can use it to make something good happen. Matthew 5:9. Meaning of this verse: people who help others make peace and solve problems will be loved by God and called his children. When we make peace, we show God's love to everyone. Isaiah 40:31. Meaning of this verse: if you trust in God, he will give you strength to keep going, even when you feel tired. You will feel strong like an eagle flying high. 2 Corinthians 5:7. Meaning of this verse: we live by faith in God, which means we trust him even when we can't see or understand everything. God is always in control. Psalm 23:1. Meaning of this verse: God takes care of us like a shepherd takes care of their sheep. He gives us everything we need, and we don't have to worry. Jeremiah 29:11. Meaning of this verse: God has good plans for you. He wants you to have a bright future, and he is always working to make things better for you.